Hey, what's up guys? Ali here from mysocialyou.com and welcome back to my channel. In this video today, we're gonna talk about Twitter fleets. What are Twitter fleets? It's kind of very similar to Instagram stories. Before we jump into the video, you know what to do. Subscribe, hit the bell icon, and also like this video. All right, now let's jump right into this. I wanna show you how to create Twitter fleets. And let's jump right into Twitter. And by the way, it's a brand new feature that they just released just a couple of days ago. I got it today. I'm super excited. Make sure, if you don't see it on your Twitter app, make sure you update the app from App Store. That's step number one. And look at this. So when I go to my Twitter feed, look what's on the top right here. It's very similar to, guess what? Instagram stories. Yes. And let's actually play some of these. And again, it's very same. I'm looking at someone's story. I can tap and then go to the next one, or just swipe and go to just completely skip this. And yeah, these are called Twitter fleets. There you go, like that hashtag. Now, how do you create Twitter fleets? Looks like a lot of people are having fun with this. This is awesome. So to create Twitter fleets, you're gonna click on this add icon, and then you have different options here. So all these options are at the bottom. The first one is you can add text. The next option is, so they're at the bottom, camera roll, meaning you can upload something from your camera roll. The third option is you can the capture, so you can capture a picture. For example, here's the picture of my setup. And then the next option, the last option, is video, and you can record a video. So for example, you know, for this, I'm just gonna capture a picture of my setup, and then you see right here you have different options. You can change the color. It's not that obvious in this, or you can add text. And I'm just gonna say testing Twitter stories, aka fleet. Right here, done. And obviously there are different options. You can make it bold, background, you can different style, you can make it just have, these are very similar to Instagram stories, but instead of stories, we're gonna call them fleet. And then when you're ready to upload, what you're gonna do is just click on fleet, and it's gonna get posted. It says posting, and done. It is posted. So let's go back and let's look at, here's what I posted. I'm gonna click on this. Look at this. So I posted something, and here's the what I posted yesterday. Here's the story that I posted, or fleet. I gotta get used to that term now. Here's fleet from yesterday. Here's one, and here's one from just right now. And if you wanted to add more to this, let me go back. There's an add button at the bottom, so I can click on that, and I can kind of build more content into Twitter fleets. They do disappear after 24 hours, so just keep that in mind. Again, very similar to Instagram stories, but this is how you create Twitter fleets. Very fun feature. I don't know why they took so long to release this, but it's finally here. You can go create fleets on your Twitter. Make sure you do update the app to get access to this feature. If you have any questions, leave those questions below in the comments. Before you go, subscribe, hit the bell icon, and also like this video. I'm gonna see you in the next one. Bye for now.